Okay, good morning, teacher and students. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to present the presentation or article review. My name is Beta Tafara. I am basically from Devarpet, currently staying in Gondar. I did my graduation in bachelor degree from Mulaita University, Lucknow. Currently, I am pursuing MS in Gondar University. That's all about me. Thanks again for opportunity.
University of Gondar, College of Informatics and Department Data Science. Article title: Building a new semantic social network using semantic wave-based technique. Paper information title: This here. This article published by or written by 3 authors. This here, publication year in January 2021. Link. Link. This here, during this link click, you can get this like this original article PDF. Then presentation content, overview of presentation, general overview of a topic, introduction, network, significance of research objective, methodology, experimental setting, and the result, conclusion, and motivation. The motivation of this our author motivated behind this paper content a new open privacy community called social media. Significant enhanced features of semantic web, providing advanced semantic search, the act of semantic search engine. Problem or the gap: most people are more or less related to a web by participating in a kind of social network site, and knowledge gap between humans and machines. Objective: how to overcome this gap, building a semantic web by using semantic based techniques and method. Introduction: the general background of article, the knowledge gap, clarification of terms, definitions of abbreviation. What semantic? Semantic is the web of data, Web3. Interrelated data in web refer to linked data. Extension of www through a standard set by the www consortium. Take account, that means Twitter, Facebook, and Google account rather than a structure of data. The goal of semantic wave on this article to make internet data interpretable by humans and machines. Significance of this article: to automate a lot of work on help with help of all online agents, making internet data mission readable, interpretable by humans. Using various technology, RDF, Sparkle, and Ontology. Resource of description of framework. RDF present data in the form of triple, and some structured and has unique identifier, so data easily linked. Metadata represent in the form of graph, XML serialization for ease of data exchange, and so schema. Now schema encoding and processing metadata in the form of statement in the form of triple, called triple. Simple triple based data mode: subject, resource, predicates, and object. RDF is heart of linked object. In the article, just RDF used to make link their data or annotate. Ontology, just based RDF ontology define a set of concepts and relationship between concepts, support automated reasoning and inferencing, providing and sharing among people or software agent. This article by using RDF and ontology can be make their data smart and apply reasoning and inference. Sparkle acronym word, a Spark protocol, and RDF query language. The process of retrieve data from queries and give in the form of XML format, sort, aggregate, query, add, delete, and update, send query to a remote, private, or public data collection. Related work. Previously, before this article, to published different articles by using semantic technology, friend of friend, and RDF and ontology. Statement of problem, crawler agent of Facebook, Twitter, and other media, other online media or social media. Crawling is not a best choice for collecting data from the large-scale for reasons such as complexity, scalability, and computational resource needed, the time required for mining data, and crawling overhead. General objective, semantic web application design. To create a new semantic social community called social media. Social media's specific objective to automate raising and inference of data using logical route to link crawl data or annotate to make crawl data smart and appraising or and inference use ontology and data depth. To send query to remote, private, or public data collection, use Sparkle. Okay. Approach or methodology, data collection ways and analyze method or proposed method. A lot of new technology used and data storage using non-relational data base and other social network, called agent social network, Facebook, Twitter, and the other used tools, materials used data container can be processed using a variety of semantic web techniques. The proposed application is built upon four main phases: procedures, integration, and storage phase. The first, custom mapping, dumping, and retrieve. This stage, integration and storage phase, stages social profile, various social media linked to the new data relational database. Custom mapping phase to generate mapping document, and the output are to RML document or mapping. Dumping phase, the conversion of data into semantically structured data triple using this document, this to RML document, mapping document. Then to produce the output or input as input and produce the RDF graph document or triple. Dumping has three approaches: change based flow, schedule based flow, query time based flow. This step can used. Retrieve query phase, the application data increase and develop splitter engine to splitter result RDF graph from phase 3, and the server has Sparkle endpoint and phase 2. To this retrieve the data from the query in the form of tabulation. Types of research in this article: quantitative research type or quantitative because confirm test theory but export idea late as quantitative. Data collection method quantitative, that means used survey experiments as well as observation. Analyze method is quantitative. Analyze means according system using quantify number of triple or change the verbal expressed by data into numerical information and use data tabulation. Experimental setting and result. The C# 4.5 programming language is used, and different libraries work with RDF and R2 RML 48 for loading the mapping files. Then the other Microsoft SQL 2010-60. Then the other performance is tested use different equipment, hardware and software equipment, hardware Windows 8 64 bits, and hardware Windows 8 64 is the software, hardware 8 GB RAM and 1.8 gigahertz Intel CPU. For this test purpose, splitter engine is tested against an instance file containing this triple text and this size. Then by this second within this second 60,000 triple and remaining one has this triple. This file are updated for virtual server. Thus the result is considered a graph or RDF. Is the form of vertex and edges. Result investigation, proposed approach result merge profile on the same person from multiple social network website and creating a large unified social network from some network that involved independently. This result could be linked using extraction method for application program interference, linked to online data educational social network IE Explorer and ACMDL. This survey is about this article title. Aim of this survey: understand or find out or develop social media. The survey conducts this year. The information was collected through the internet in different social sites on online non-relational database. The significant integrity is social media data with new user data to construct one large social data community. This helpful information searching, consistent checking, inference, and running more complicated query unlike traditional search. A reason why authors use different approach. Use two approaches. Why? The reason: develop software to facilitate and automate the process of creating the mapping file. Significant of each approach: different approach used: direct mapping approach and more complex than direct mapping R2RML approach. This direct mapping approach used to transfer relational data to RDF. This how to map the relational data into RDF form. Conclusion: on this article, in this paper, Semantic social network application develops this social application, social media. Why go to semantic web? The reason: to present knowledge about their data, to allow data integrate, to bring intelligence to your data, act as central interlinking hub, then with existing social media and with new user data to construct one large social data community. Say semantic is smart data because a data that can be understood by the computer and allows you for intelligent automation. Okay, so like this is overview of general article. Then I recommend community scale could be extended to include linking to scientific web resource or any other resource to construct dynamic data content act as an interlinking hub for all contributor data on the web. Okay, this the reference of this article. You can access this article by using this reference. Okay, thank you.